Hi all, I'm on my holidays in Cape Town, a place called Muscle Bay, lovely, by the coast. I wish you was all here, doing a bit of work online, you know, Stuart Ross as my mentor. It's a great lifestyle. I wish you was all here. There's a bit of the beach. I'm on the balcony, on the 8th floor of a place called, can't even say it exactly, but there it is, lovely place, Ocean 2. If you ever want to get there, contact a man called Jerry. It's a lovely place. But anyway, there's a lovely view of the beach. A few people out there surfing. I'm going to go down for a little run and a swim a little later on. Just going to have some breakfast. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. The kids are still sleeping. You know what it's like. Wifey pottering around, making a cup of tea. Here's my laptop, just doing a bit of work, checking my emails. Where is it? There you go. Internet lifestyle, as Stuart Ross calls it. But anyway, just a quick hello, showing you a bit of the scenes. Done some shark diving already. Went to visit the elephants on the elephant farm. Went to the safari, visit the animals as well. Kids loved it. Yeah, and there's a little island out there. There's loads of sharks. Sometimes you see the dolphins jumping up and down here. About hundreds of them, all swimming together. But it's a lovely place. I would recommend it. But anyway, take care. I'm going to have a cup of tea now. And I'll speak to you later. Bye.